Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. I'm Binita. Welcome to another new story on Swalpo Basanar Golpo. Today is Ashtami and we are going by metro to see the Durga Puja. We live very close to the Chennai Airport metro. Since our home is quite near the airport, this is the metro station closest to us. So let's head to Nandanam. From Nandanam, this Durga Puja at Mantra Garden is within about 1 kilometer. They have organized the puja beautifully. Come, let's go inside and I'll share everything with you. As soon as I entered, the first thing that caught my eye was the roof of this structure. Doesn't it look beautiful? The name of this club is SMCA. This year, the theme of their puja pandal is rural Bengal, and they have decorated the interiors beautifully. First, let's go and have darshan of Ma Durga. After that, we'll also see a part of our rural Bengali culture, the Cho dance. There are so many food stalls all around, and all of them are serving Bengali food. I'm fasting today because I usually fast on Ashtami, so I don't eat food from outside. But Manta Babu will probably have something vegetarian. Let's see what he chooses. First, let's go and have darshan of Ma Durga. And I'll also show you how beautifully everything has been decorated inside. I had never imagined that I would find such a beautiful Durga Puja in Chennai. In fact, not just one, I have come across several wonderful Durga Pujas here. The arrangements are really beautiful. I honestly never expected it. The entire pandal has been created using traditional elements associated with Bengali homes and village life. And the members of this club, especially the women members, have painted and decorated these traditional items themselves. Things like kulo winnowing trays and chaluni sieves. Everything looks absolutely beautiful and the workmanship is excellent. The pendle has been made with such precision that it hardly feels like we are so far away from rural Bengal or Kolkata. The craftsmanship is so beautiful. The artwork is extraordinary, truly wonderful. The decorative work on the hand fans, the art, the Patchitra style paintings, everything has been arranged so beautifully. And the upper section of the pandal has been decorated entirely using gamchas, traditional Bengali cotton towels. I found it absolutely stunning, and I genuinely felt that this could be called one of the best Durga Pujas in Chennai, perhaps even the number one Durga Puja. The decoration is so impressive, and Ma Durga's face is exceptionally beautiful as well. We came here in the evening on Ashtami. We couldn't come in the morning because this place is quite far from our home. Even then, there was a huge crowd. But despite the crowd, we managed to find a place to sit. We were able to sit peacefully near the deity for some time and enjoy the atmosphere. After that, we came outside to watch a little of the Chow dance. This is actually the first time I have ever watched a live Chow performance. Until now, I had only seen it on television, along with the various traditional masks and face designs. But this is the first time I'm seeing an actual performance. While watching it, I kept thinking about how difficult it must be for the dancers. The costumes and equipment they carry are extremely heavy, especially the large masks worn on their heads, and the dance itself is very demanding. That is why I believe it is our responsibility to preserve our rural Bengali traditions, our art forms, and our folk culture. I feel that during major festivals such as Durga Puja and Kali Puja, especially large celebrations, performances like these should be invited and encouraged. We should do our part to keep the culture of rural Bengal alive. I really enjoyed this experience. A special thanks to the members of the SMCA Durga Puja Committee for presenting something so beautiful here in Chennai and giving us the opportunity to experience and enjoy it. I would like to congratulate the entire SMCA Puja committee for their efforts. We truly loved what you have created. It was a wonderful Ashtami evening spent at this puja pandal. We had a lovely Ashtami day and a beautiful evening here. And with that, I'm ending today's vlog. Stay well, stay healthy, and stay safe. I'll see you very soon in a new vlog. Until then, bye bye.